Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be reviewing several kitchen gadgets. We'll be looking for features that save time, make cooking easier, and help you create delicious meals. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now, let's get started. Let's start with first product named Electric Hand Blender. This thing packs a 500 watt punch. Combined with 4 ultra sharp blades, it can thrash anything. No problem. Nut butters, easy. Need an extra burst of power? Just hit the turbo button. Perfect for crushing those tougher ingredients. And when you're done blending, cleanup is a breeze. The detachable base lets you remove the blending wand for easy washing. The blades are even dishwasher safe. This ergonomic design makes holding it super comfortable. No more hand cramps while you whip up your favorite recipes. This beauty is crafted from durable metal, so it'll be your kitchen sidekick for years to come. So, if you're looking for a powerful, convenient, and long-lasting hand blender, this one might be the perfect fit for you. Let me explain you second product named the Kitchen Snap and Strain. This handy gadget clips right onto your pots, pans, and even bowls of all sizes. The fine mesh strainer lets you strain anything from pasta to veggies, all while keeping your food conveniently in the pot. No more messy transfers or wasted counter space with a bulky colander. This space-saving strainer is perfect for small kitchens or busy cooks looking for a cool gift for the chef in your life. The Snap and Strain is a lifesaver in the kitchen, making it a breeze to strain and serve. So ditch the colander and snap and strain your way to easier cooking. Next product in the list is Oxo Grape Cutter, which is a game changer. It fits most seedless grapes and cherry tomatoes. Just pop them in, press the comfy plunger, perfectly quartered fruit in seconds. These curved finger rests keep your hands safe, and the serrated blades make quick work of even tough skins. This grape cutter is the perfect way to enjoy healthy snacks on the go. The next product in the list is Oxo Peeler. This peeler features rotating twin blades that follow every curve, making peeling potatoes, apples, and even bumpy veggies a breeze. The soft, oversized handle is comfy to hold, even during long peeling sessions. No more hand cramps. It has a built-in potato eye remover, saving you time and frustration. But wait, there's more. The handle has a large hole for easy hanging storage, so ditch the drawer clutter and keep your Oxo Peeler within easy reach. Ovente electric sandwich maker is next product in the list. This little guy perfectly toasted sandwiches in minutes. See how it covers shut? No more soggy bread. And the heating element is super fast, saving you precious time. Cleaning is super easy. Food practically slides right off, and a quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes. It's too space-saving design. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for small kitchens. Safety is key, and Ovente has you covered. Cool touch handle stays comfortable, and anti-skid feet prevent accidents. So, ditch the bland and embrace the delicious. With the Ovente electric sandwich maker, restaurant quality sandwiches are just minutes away.